Hello guys, this is a quick video to show you a trick we can do on cleaning the putty. So I use the putty, the modeling gray, okay, and I apply with my silicone brush, oops, and this one it's really nice for the application. Now for cleaning. Before we go with the sanding stick, let's go and use this new product from AK, the automatized cleaner. This is for animals and lockers, for airbrushes, brush and tools. So I'm going to use this to clean with the cotton swab, and let's go and let's see how it goes. So this have applicator, it's really easy to put, so I'm going to put some here. Careful with inside, you don't want to damage the paint, so I just put right there, and let's start rubbing. You see it's coming out easy. And without sanding. Now let's look for this. And as you can see, the result is clean, very clean. So now let's go on the top. Let me just do one thing because I don't want problems with this. Grab a little tape and just go here for the cockpit. Okay, just like this. So spread the product, you see. So wonderful. So directly on the cotton swab. Now I can remove this. Or you can grab a cap, put there, and just use. We moist a little, and you can see don't damage the plastic. And it's more clean. Okay, you can do this applying the putty, you can wait about 2 hours, it's enough. And then we go. Just a little more here. And without this, we don't lose any of the detail we have on the plane. It melts, you fill the gap, nice and easy. Of course, you can switch the cotton swab. This is very cheap. So, and here it is, guys. So easily, so easily. So let's continue here. I'm going to change the cotton swab, moist, and go here. So as you can see, it's more easier than using the sand stick. With the sand, normally you lose lots of details. And my cat always on the videos. So as I told you yesterday on the last video, we have a trick for this putty. And as you can see, it's so easy. And then later, if you want, you just rescribe the panels with the feel of this, and so easy. So as you can see, without sanding, we have this done. Okay, thanks for watching.